Here's a stock that I like to the short side here. This is one. This is Goldman Sachs. You could see I drew on one of our prior educational. We did a pitchfork, Andrew's pitchfork. You could see this really showing and catching the second line here low by extending these out in proportion, and you could see it's really right at the midpoint of this line, right between all of these. So this is one of those situations where I think that as it starts to move and has been trying to move higher, it's been having a tough time doing it. Here's it went to around 195, but look at the momentum here. We're really seeing that get lost in any of these swings. You're seeing it kind of trying to kind of rally back, but just having a very tough time of it. We're seeing longer term divergence on this action every time it tries to move up. You see it struggling to kind of really get higher here. Really, you saw this on the flat low. You see the bounce back. You're seeing the lack of momentum there. And I just think this is going to struggle here. If we're going to start to see weakness in the overall market, this could really start to feel it. I think we would have a stop just above the prior ranges here. But I think this is one that makes sense. We're going to try to obviously get it as close to this prior top here as possible. But I think this is one that could start to break down and do rather well if on the longer term. So we're going to get positioned for short in Goldman Sachs.